Gekko and the saurus. Excited about the puppet show, Greg? Yeah, check out my puppet.
Look at Greg playing with dolls.
It's not a doll. It's a puppet.
Yeah, whatever. Smell that? The cafeteria's making cookies. Yum! Don't worry about Cameron, Greg. Let's get a good spot for the puppet show.
Yeah!
What? The puppets? They're gone.
Gone?
Sorry, kids. We can't have a puppet show without puppets.
No! A moth. Luna Girl must have been behind this. PJ Masks, we're on